Hey guys, Alex here. So I want to show you a bit of exciting news. I'm actually sample testing a product right now. This is one of the products that I plan on jumping on myself. So I actually got this morning from DHL. So let me just open it up. What can it be? What can it be? It is Okay, so it's a product catalog for starters, all right? They've actually given me product details, as you can sort of see there, right? So this is the sample. Occasionally they chuck in other products that they've got in the supply. So it comes polybagged. Looks like there's a little barcode there, an FNSKU barcode, which is great. So they are pet grooming gloves, okay? Pet grooming gloves. And if you ever want to sort of touch, take the hair off your dog without those stupid brushes, they don't like the brushes either. These are new gloves, and they're sort of relatively new. They're not the typical plastic ones you get on. These are actually relatively new, all right? So I've got a bit of a dog here as well. The sample test guy, perfect fit, look at that, perfect fit. Okay. All right. And this is what sample testing is all about. You need to test the product. You've got to sample test it, right? Practice it, borrow a dog, walk randomly in a park and start touching dogs, do whatever you need to do, but you've got to test the gloves. Oh, that's a perfect fit. All right, Chloe, come here. Chloe, come here. Oh, come on. All right, have a go. All right, now let's practice. Sit. Oh, she likes that. Look at that. She likes this product. I think she's deciding on the sample for me. You reckon I should get this? How many units? 50 units? 100 units? 200 units? Oh, she likes that. Look at that. Guys, this is what it's look at. She's just pure bliss. She's in heaven right now. Euphoria, absolute euphoria. Is it working? See, I've got a spoodle, so not much is going to come out. Yeah, not much has come out, right? But you need a sample test, right? So whatever product you get in, you order one, check out the catalog, find out, what other products that they've got, what other products that they actually make. But it's always good to sort of test the product as well. So, and it's obviously working very well. And I believe this unit is costing me, I think, $1.80 a unit. And I think it actually sells quite well, and the numbers in Australia are doing pretty good numbers, and I can sell this in the US, and I do plan on branding. You sort of see there, zoom in there, right? I can actually brand that with my own logo, my own brand, right? It says Handle Andy right now, which doesn't really make sense, right? So they're going to brand that with my own logo, which is something you should do as well, right? Think, what's the cost of actually branding a logo? But this is a good product. You give it a bit of a test for the next few weeks, but I'm pretty sold on it. So enjoy the rest of your day, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.